Look, what's the meaning of life? Get rich or die trying or live meaty and die. Naturally, gradually, atrophy. Actually, back where we live, had to dream. Getting out of there, gotta do a Mazzolene. My even Afro Bohemian Rhapsody. Everybody wanna check you and grab your queen. Get your chessboard casually done. Dirty and splash with bleach. Get lead in your head, escaping unleaded gargantuan feet. Northwest is gasoline for a Patek Philippe. Man will jump on you like a trampoline. Gotta bounce. Man are starving and have to eat. Got food in your yard and slip it. Might be bon appetit. Any day of the week of the year could turn into Halloween. That's brothers at your door wearing masks and a bag of sweets. And man, I got rockets in their pockets, not handkerchiefs. And then up in newspapers, but rarely the magazines. To capture these tales need more than Bayo tapestries. These brothers rap the streets, but they're POV fantasies. I got allergies to them allergies. Wearing ballies, chatting grease. Air to my ears, cause they're chatting breeze. Used to buy kebabs down at Ali Beast. Then stopped cause I'm man a beast. Cause Dango in KFC sadly ended in tragedy. That's why I go comptoir and grab a tagine. A barbecue ribs, a shrimp and a mac and cheese. Or stay home, season up food and cook just a gal and me. Or go to my aunt's, grab a soup, a yam and a sheen. Brothers like to say it's all love. That's a fallacy, they'll kill you where you're loved in reality. Guaranteed contempt bred from familiarity. When you're a black man like Mallory, that's normality. That's why I keep myself to myself. I'm in my shell like a langoustine or a lobster. That's 20 years before the films I was doing's winning Oscars. I didn't need the movies to be surrounded by them monsters. I didn't need Guy Ritchie to be surrounded by them mobsters. From NW the same as any other youth but conscious. Knowing I was lucky's weighing heavy on my conscience. Cause where I'm from there's many Dan Kaluyas, many tossins. Damsons in the stress just looking for other options. Could be a John Boyega or a Damalola. Even if you're not involved, the zones involve ya. And it never stops. When you're older, think it's over.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Yo. Alright, let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Before this Bank of England interest rates drop. Let's get it cracking. Alright, let me start with the daily on gold. Let me do gold first and then pound yen last, since that's the news that's going to have the volatility. Alright, so gold. Obviously still very bullish. Made a bottom wick. If this daily can flip bullish and re-break its own high, could push up, fill yesterday's wick. Only news later is unemployment claims at 1:30, so still got quite a while for that. 4 hour is creating a support, although it still has 2 hours left to go. Yeah, quite a while left. So this 4 hour could still flip bearish and push down, but I would like it to create a support and then continue pushing up. I'd like to see some structure to continue the trend, which is obviously bullish. And the 4 hour, if it does pull back, I'm looking for a retest of like this area here, 2840 to 2841, to continue pushing up. You know, this will just be a retest, you know, after the retracement. And then obviously I want the 4 hour to break above 2873 and continue pushing. If it retests, if it holds 2873, then, you know, gold could continue this range. So we'll see what happens after the unemployment claims later. So gold D created a support, 2851. It's pushing up. Now, gold buyers, I definitely like them. But what's concerning me is that it's making lower highs. This is what's concerning me, lower highs. So if it pushes up and it's lined up with the daily flip. So if gold holds bearish underneath this daily flip, if it doesn't flip bullish, I think we could continue this, continue this downtrend, minor downtrend. But once it breaks this downtrend structure and it creates a new high or it breaks above, I'd love to see it come up, retest, continue pushing, and then make a new high. So that's kind of what I'm looking for gold at the moment. There was a 1 hour continuation which someone just pointed out. Yo, Caswell, what's up? You trying to join a Zoom? You want to join a Zoom, or are you good? Let's set one up quick. But yeah, gold, like I said, if it flips bullish, we keep going. But I want to see a bit of structure and a break of this previous structure as well. This current structure to go up. It's kind of started down here because this is the last lower high. But yeah, I need it to break these levels too. And it's not very clean up for buys. But, gold will push if it wants to. And it's obviously very bullish. So that's what I'm looking for gold. What's up, Benny boy? Okay, pound yen. Start with the daily. So daily is obviously super bearish. This looks like it opened and tanked. So how much have we moved today? 150 pips. 150 pips already. Right into this daily support. So initially, 189.20, 189.30. That area would have been my sell target. That's where I was looking for sells. Alright, cool. That's where I'll be looking for sells into this support. But we've already tapped it. So now we've got the next daily support is all the way down here, 184.75. I don't know if interest rates is got enough volume to push it 500 pips, but it could start the drop. I want to see gold get past this support first, and then the next yellow lines, these are 4 hour supports, and we know GJ likes to respect a 4 hour support. Yo, what's up, Imrods? How you doing? So we're looking for pound yen to either respect the daily support and push up, push down, and then retest any one of these next 4 hour supports or make its way down, and then we'll see a bounce at some point. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Doesn't mean the bounce is going to retrace the whole move, but we're going to see some type of reaction at any of these 4 hour levels on the way down. And yeah, super bullish. I mean, you see how it's holding at this daily support right now on the 30 minutes. We've had the continuation pattern that Benny called out again. It's played out, but price is still holding at this support. So either we have a strong break for interest rates, or we have a pullback to any of these levels and then continue down. So yeah, usually when interest rates are dropped, it decreases the value of the currency, and pound yen is expected to drop by 0.25%. But don't forget, the interest rates are still quite high. 4% interest rates are still quite high. Hey, Rosie. Said GJ had a nice sell-off today. It did, right? GJ did sell off today. It's been beautiful, beautiful. Like, I saw it this morning and I was thinking buys. I saw this rejection wick. I did think buys, but then I thought it's so bearish right now. So I was just waiting for price just to create some structure. So even though it pushed up, I thought it was just making a lower high, which it did, to continue back down. So any buys would have been short-lived. It definitely would have been short-lived. So gold needs to break out of the 4 hour range to create a new high. Let's see, Goldie. Oh yeah. I don't know if you were here when I was talking about gold on the 4 hour. It does need to break above 2873. but then it could get a wick fill. We still got a lot of time in this 4-hour candle. Yeah, I'm gonna look at pound yen for now since we got news. 5 minutes. That's right, let's catch some pips today. Let's get it. Let's get it. See if there's any 30-minute key levels in between this area here. Okay, so that's the 4 hours, that's the daily support. So these are lower time frames in green. Now there's a support at 189 psychological level. These flat numbers. I think I spoke about that yesterday. DJ likes to bounce off, you know, round numbers. And then the next one, it's literally like 100 pips a time. Said this GJ support looks like it might hold. It does, right? It does. But you expect a reaction. Like I said, this was the first TP of the day and price came down quite quickly. So, you know, we trade from either 4-hour levels or daily levels with pound yen. And that's where you get a bounce or a retracement. But look, it's clean candles down. Even on a 4-hour. But look, 4-hour. Next level's 188.6. But the daily support, the next one, all the way down here. And we've had this downtrend structure on pound yen for months now. Look, since October. Let's pull back, just lower. So it's been very bearish. And the yen is not doing wonderfully, but the economy is getting better, so you could see some pound yen sales for a while. Did you guys see the article that I put in the Discord? I put a little article in if anyone's interested in fundamentals. Cool. You saw it, yeah? Cool. Even though I'm not a fundamental trader, you still kind of have to know what's going on. Alright, minute till news. See if these spreads start widening. Usually what happens. Pound yen buying or selling? What's happening? Oh, it's selling. Started to sell. Yes, it is. Alright, so the first target, 188.6. That's target 1. Target 1 tapped. I don't think this thing's stopping for now. Alright, look where it's tapped into. Right into the 4-hour support. So we had a reaction, of course. Let's see how much further we go. Alright, what's the next target, guys? Next target is 188.11. Alright, let's see the results of the news. Obviously, it should just be that they reduced the rates, which is expected and planned. So, what day is it? Thursday. Yeah, they reduced the rates, and everyone voted to reduce the rates. So there was one person that didn't want to reduce it before, and obviously now they voted to drop them. So probably why we're getting a strong push as well. You should have taken that continuation pattern. You know what? I said it earlier. I think I said it in the chat. Did I say it or did you say it? Yeah, you said it's a good setup for price to continue down. And it was. It really was. So yeah, you should have taken it. even if you had a stop loss above, where would your stop loss have been? So if you would have taken a break of this low, stop loss would have been, what, maybe, probably would have been stopped out though actually. Even if you used the previous candle high, still 30 pips. Gave it a bit more room. Yeah, that would have been gorgeous. Okay, gold pushing up. Where do I want gold to break? This is where it's tapped. I'm thinking 15-minute entry on pound yen. You know, I only use the 15-minute for news. Only thing with the 15 is where you're going to have a stop loss. Maybe entry candle low. Still got 8 minutes left. This is a big candle. Damn. Gold. What are we doing, gold? So all of this is, it's not a rejection area, but just consider that these are higher lows. Lower highs. So where did I have the line like this? What are you thinking, guys? M15 entry? If the M15 makes a nice top wick, I agree. I agree. Maybe a 15-minute continuation pattern. Or you want to wait for the next 15-minute candle and then get in at what, 12:30? Like I hear both. Like a continuation pattern would be nice, because then it would definitely set up a stop loss, because you're waiting for the next 15-minute candle to close. But then I also understand jumping on this volume, so if the next 15 does make a top wick and then re-break the previous low, it's also looking good. So we'll see what happens in 4 minutes. Gold looks like it's rejecting the daily flip area and respecting this downtrend here. See how gold closes in the next 30 minutes too. I would like for the 15 to close below this 4-hour support as well. Yeah, this pullback, serious. How many pips is it? It's like 30 pips. Yeah, it might have to wait for the next candle, because ideally I would like to take a break of this low. So yeah, the next 15 might have to wait for that. But we still got a nice range here. If we create a weak 15-minute candle, then we can take the break at that low. So we might even get a higher entry. Ooh, look at it, pulling back from this support. Kind of got a rejection area down here too. That's a good example of why you should have TPs. Because this was target 1. Got there very quick. I wanted these sells from earlier. I kind of knew pound yen was going to be bullish. I mean, this interest rate news is it's very easy to predict. I see we got a new 15-minute candle. Yeah, I wouldn't take sales on this candle now. The bottom wick is super long. Can't wait for a break of that low. 44 pips away. Might have to wait for structure. Or most likely. Yeah, needs to wait for lower time frame structure now. Oof, look where gold closed. Right on the downtrend line. And on the daily flip. Now gold forms a nice resistance here. I think it continues to sell down. So it's going to break the previous 15-minute low. Yeah, it looks like it's rejecting this area. So potential sells on gold on the next 30 minutes as well. So let me get rid of that because now we have a new range. This is the new support. This is the range down here. If it creates a resistance, depending on how far the candle closes, if it does, over 100 pips. Say an N30 GJ entry on the next candle. So if the next candle closes, well, for me to take an entry, 30-minute entry on pound yen, on the next candle, I need it to fill more of this wick. And then the next candle will wick up, maybe retest this broken support, and then continue down. Oh, shoot, one sec. That's my door. The volume slowing down. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have to have volume the whole 30 minutes, 15 minutes of a candle. Do you know what I mean? We'll have it slow times and then the volume will kick in. So where did I have a position? $68, and this candle flipped. Go on, fill the wick. Fill the wick. Alright, GJ, what's Goldie doing? Yeah, a gold resistance here would be lovely. Would actually be lovely. But even then, the gold sells, they'll be short-lived because gold is obviously very bullish, isn't it? It's still super bullish. Hello. What are you crying about? This is why you get locked out. Oh, perfect. So waiting for GJ to close, top wick, and then drop, continue dropping. want it to push further past this support, like give a clean push. Alright, 3 minutes left. Gold ain't creating that resistance just yet. Gold buys are still on the table. So this support's kind of invalid. You know, I'm going to leave it just in case price retests and then forms a resistance to push back down. I'm going to leave that there. It's the next 30-minute support. See what happens in the next 2 minutes. Come on, pound yen, you're going the wrong way. Look at this 4-hour candle. Yeah, this wick's too long now to take the break of the low. About 40 pips, just under 40 pips. It's killing me, man. The thing is, if it holds at this support, I think we get a retracement before we get another drop. Which is all good, because then we get some structure. Ooh, potential 15 continuation pattern, like Caswell said. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, gold didn't create a resistance, but it's still holding at this line. So for buys, it's a break above, retest, continue up. The sells, just straight down. Hello, hello. What are you looking for gold? I know you like gold. What's your thoughts, Yeehaw? I know that's not a name, but I don't know what else to call you. Oh, look at this GJ continuation. So potentially, if it breaks this low, 26, 27 pips, could get some sells here. I like it. I like it. No, I might just put a little sell stop on there. And the stop loss would be previous 15-minute high, 26 pips. Caswell says, yeah. He called that continuation. I think it looks good. Should at least fill this wick. If we can break this low. Fill the wicks, what, 17 pips? But to TP, we can get all the way down to 41, 42. That's a good risk reward for me. I like it. And afternoon's the only time you ever see me using this M15. Well, really, it's the 30-minute, isn't it? New 30-minute candle. Alright, let's see if we can get this. Come on, everyone sell at the same time. Let's push this thing down. 10 of us in here, we can do that. Full margin. Should I catch some more sells? Come on, GJ, push. Yeah, my sell stop's roughly there. It's not exactly, but it's pretty much there. Oh, nearly tapped in here. I've been tapped in. Go and break the low. Let's go. Come on, you've broken the low. Keep pushing. Fill that wick at least. Right. Tell it. What I get in a 6. What's my entry at? Oh, I got slipped as well. I got slipped. Like 0.6 pips. That's crazy. Sometimes that's why I don't like sell stops, you know, they get slipped. I had mine at 188.536. I got slipped down to 53 flat. Like if I was looking just for 10 pips, that little 0.6 matters. Every pip matters. Come on, push. So we should at least get a wick fill. Yeah, we should. We should at least get a wick fill. And that's only what? It was 17 pips, but now I've been slipped. A bit less. 16. Just in and out of profits. Come on, lock it in. Give me 10 pips at least. There we go. Come on, fill this wick. Got to 10 pips. GJ, you're going the wrong way. What's happening? Come on now. Thing does not want to give us this push, does it? Well, it's taking its time about it. Pound yen. And we've got a new 15-minute candle about to open as well. So hopefully we can survive that top wick. Shouldn't be nothing crazy. I mean, these past two 15-minute candles didn't have big top wicks. It is a slow drop, Benny. It is a slow drop. Only thing I don't like about it is we're around this 4-hour support. And price does like to bounce from these 4-hour levels. Especially on pound yen. But I mean, it's so bearish. We'll check on Goldie. Oh, get rid of this. Gold is chilling. Come on, GJ. Alright, survive this top wick. Make a little top wick. Push down. There we go. Also a 30-minute wick fill. Oh, break the low, drive. Let's go. Perfect, perfect. Break that low, keep going. Right, Caswell? Damn. Just stay out of the 40s, that would be great. To the downside, please. Hey, patience, 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 patience. I don't know how swing traders do it. Just put on an entry and then just leave it. I couldn't do it. I can just about wait for a 1 hour trade. Oh shoot. Dun, 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 dun. He said GJ doesn't want to drop anymore. Don't say stuff like that. Don't say stuff. GJ will drop. It will. It's not finished yet. It's not over. It just has to break that 30-minute low, which is here, 188.36. Once it does that, we can lock in at 20 pips. I kind of wanted to leave this one to run, I'll be honest with you, because I think once it does break, it might as well just push down to the target, right? Yeah, coming into the last 10 minutes of the candle, this is when price likes to move. Hopefully it's in our direction. Right, 13 pips up. Alright, so 20 pips is about... Lord, this thing does not want to push, does it? Let's say about here. Oh, that's the wrong one. Alright, if price can get there, geez. I'm looking to close 80% there. That's 20 pips. It's about 20 pips. Oh, GJ. This is bad business. You closed it, you're not gonna hold no drawdown. GJ's trying to stress us out today. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I've had a decent week. You know, sometimes it's good to take some L's. See some red on the account. It's whatever. Let's check on gold while GJ's messing around. You know what? This looks good on gold right now. It's breaking the previous 30-minute low. Once this candle closes, potential sells back down. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Let's see how this candle closes in the next 5 minutes. And with GJ, it's either going to hit stop loss or it's going to hit TP. It's going to do one of the two. You think it's respecting 4 hour support? Like, if the next candle, if the 30-minute candle, this candle here, if this closes above this support, then I'll close. Because then it's holding. Do you know what I mean? 88,605, around that area. If it closes above 60, I'll close the position. Because then, yeah, the support is holding and it'll get buys up. But for now, I'm holding this bad boy. And I was thinking before, should I go move my stop loss to break even at 10 pips? I said, nah, I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to let it run. That's growth. Gold looks good for the sales, but the unemployment claims in 30. Yeah, that's fine. You know, can be in and out of golds before the news. And if the unemployment claims news is good, gold should drop even more. It's usually what happens. What's the forecast? Let me see. Forecast unemployment is 214k. It's kind of what they average. What I don't want is the next candle to form a top wick and then push me back into drawdown. So I might end up closing this trade, hopefully in some profits, before the next candle opens. Try to survive that top wick. Survive that top wick. Come on, GJ. 3 minutes. Show me what you can do in 3 minutes. Show me something good in 3 minutes. Oh, I might end up closing this pound yen at 10 pips, you know? I think next time it gets to 10 pips, I'm just going to close it. It's not giving me that drive down. So that would be about... Yeah, if price gets here again, I'm locking it in. Locking it in. Oh, 30 seconds left. GJ's mean. Nah, gold sales look good. Gold, we need a top wick. Thinking top wick on gold. And push down. Potentially. Gold sales look clean. They do. They look very clean. Didn't really make much of a top wick though. That's what I would have used for a stop, I think. Yeah, because this stop loss is too big. It's like 53 pips. Way too big. But now, oh, it's breaking the low. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to leave gold, I think. Damn it, knew I should have closed it when it got back to 10 pips. Hit 10 pips so many times. I can't believe it didn't fill that wick. 15-minute stops for gold. Let me see. Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Still didn't make a top wick for me though. I wanted a bit of a top wick on this 15-minute at least. Then I could use previous one, but this entry candle doesn't really have much of a top wick. Now it's probably just gonna run. Is the GJ trade still in? Yeah, struggling. I'm just gonna leave it, honestly. I just can't be bothered. Just gonna let it go. It's gonna hit one or the other, right? So I didn't move my TP, but I was just planning on that's where my 10 pips was if it hit. So I've just left it. We'll see. I can't keep watching it go up and down. That's the thing about trading two pairs, man. You miss one. Look at that. This would have been a nice one. Yeah, that's probably still on the call. I still need a top wick anyway. Even though I was watching it. Got to 17 pips. Yeah, needed more of a top wick. It's a 30-minute candle too. I expected it just a little drive up. Nothing crazy. But we didn't get that. But you see, we respected these lower highs and stayed below the daily flip. That's what was important here. Alright, hang about until news. And then be done. Done for the day. Let me see. Look, even gold on the 1 hour looks lovely. New 1 hour candle too, no top wick. Barely. Come on. There we go. Come back. Make a top wick. If it makes a top wick and then re-breaks the low. Nah, I'm going to wait till after news. Let me not force it. Let me not force it. But yeah, 1 hour looks good. Created a nice resistance. Rejected the highs. Daily still bearish. 4 hour. That's a 4 hour flip. 59. 4 hour looks like it's rejecting as well. 1 hour, so we could get a 4 hour wick fill with the news. It's not a crazy idea. See if we can get a top wick first though. Damn. I can see gold filling this range. Yeah. Me too. But you never know with gold. The thing is, we've got this downtrend structure. So we're going down here. We've pulled up. So this could be the last lower high. But then we also have this like uptrend structure. So we have this here too. So now if price stays above this support, this recent push up, then we could see another, you could see a move like that. That's how I'm playing it anyway. Oh yeah, GJ. I actually forgot about this play. Oh man, pound yen. We're still in. Oh my god. No bottom wick on this 30-minute candle. Sad. Nice push up though. How much? What? 10 pips in drawdown. I'm gonna let that run. Gold, what you got for me? So GJ's tripping. It is. So GJ's holding on for dear life. It is holding on, ain't it? It really is. It really is. But yeah, I'm just gonna let it run. I'm just gonna let it run. If anything, USD news might push it in either direction. It should definitely get closed in the next 30 minutes. Within the next 30 minutes. Alright, gold news in 20 minutes. What's this 15 looking like? So yeah, gold can go two ways. It can go two ways. You know, we've been pushing up, but we've come to a point where it's holding. But we could still continue uptrend structure. We haven't broken the last higher low. Did DJ hit stop loss? Yep. Oh, sad, sad. Had to let it run, really. Let it do its thing. GJ's jerking around now. What's going on? I think gold is in the last leg of a sell before moving up. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. I can see that happening because it's like I was saying, you've got this downtrend structure, but then here we've kind of started an uptrend. So as long as it stays above this support here, because this support is the last higher low, right? So yeah, structure wise, if we can hold here and bounce off or create a high, another higher low above, then yeah, I think we could push up if it doesn't fill this range, but we have to break past this first structure point, or this last structure point, the previous structure point. Said gold's all over the place. I'm waiting till after news. It's a good idea. Good idea. Might as well at this point. This, I mean, if we'd taken this entry right here, that would have been a quick, wow, 40 pips. Jesus. 40 pips, 30. Good 1-to-1, 37 pip stop, 40 pip gain. But yeah, no top whip. Not much of a top wick. On an hour candle as well. On the start of an hour candle, no top wick. Or a tiny little one. Hey, GJ. Stopped us out, yeah, to continue down. GJ is the worst, yo. Oh my lord. Still no bottom wick on this. I still think GJ might drop some more. You think so, Benny? I thought so too. I don't know what to think right now. I know GJ likes to retrace some moves. I know that much. So even if it does drop some more, I think it buys back up from somewhere. Again, like, just think about the area where price is holding. Right to this 4-hour support level, which we know pound yen likes to do. So it was risky. No, I don't know. I don't want to say it was risky because price did move, 13 pips. And if we were 10 pip traders, you know, we would have closed with a win. But we should have filled this wick, god damn it. We should have filled this wick. But it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. I think Caswell got out at the right time. Me, I've had some decent trades this morning anyway, so I'm not really too worried. I don't really see much places where I could have cut positions as well. Do you know what? Maybe when the 15-minute broke the previous 15-minute high, could have closed some there at 10 pips. So that's something I need to journal. Yeah, it's been a while since I've hit full stop loss. I think I said that the other day. I jinxed myself. I should have remembered that. Could have cut some there, but I still think it's... Yeah, I think it's going to go down a little bit more before it goes back up. I still kind of think that. Yeah, I'm going to wait till news. I'll wait till after news and then I'm going to jump off. I keep an eye on the charts. Where is laser? Yo. Split screen for news. Yeah. Why not? Of course. Why not? Oh, look, GJ made the bottom wick, you know. Yeah, I think it might push up from here. It made that bottom wick. Actually, it made it on the 15. No, it didn't. That's the next 15-minute candle. We still don't have a bottom wick on this 30-minute candle. Oh, What up then, nigga? What up, what up? Literally, I want to play that game. I want to play Far Cry, I do. I don't want to play it without you, because I'd feel bad. But I've been thinking about it. Oh, man. Yeah, news in 12 minutes. Little unemployment claims. This is a very nice retest on gold. To then continue up now. What game? Far Cry. I want to play Far Cry. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. God will always do what she wants. Trust me. Trust me. So I was looking at this level holding here. Holding this downtrend line. It's making lower highs. And it's respect to the daily flip. It's pushed down. But, you know, gold is overall bullish. And this is just a pullback. So news could continue to push up. Because it's created a minor uptrend structure from this support down here. Or it could continue respecting this downtrend line and drop some more. So we'll see. But one thing I did want it to do is create a better top wick for this 1 hour candle, which it looks like it's doing. What it does after that is up to gold. Let me see what happened last week for unemployment claims. Last week would have been the 30th of January. 30th of Jan at 1:30. Oh, gold is bullish. Very bullish. So that push up was a little drop down. 48 pips, nearly 50 pips. Nearly 50 pips. And what are the results? They were good numbers. They were good numbers. So they were forecast at 224k. And it came out 207. This week it's 214. So if we get a number lower than 214, we might see some gold buys. That's weird because, you know what? USD and gold have been moving the same way recently. So, you know, numbers like that should be bearish for gold when it's good numbers. But obviously it doesn't really mean anything these days. You said you love gold when she treats you right. I hear that. I hear that. Alright, so it's kind of made a longer top wick. Bit of a longer top wick. Should break this low now. Well, it has rebroken. Maybe push down. But this is what I wanted, a bit more of a top wick. What's pound yen doing? Creating a support. Broken the previous 30-minute high. Yeah, I think pound yen can retrace from here, you know. Unless it's creating structure, support, and then potentially like a retest of 189. Then a resistance to come down. Or it could just come down on the next candle. Or it could just continue pushing up. But I know we still don't have a bottom wick right here. Said you're over GJ. Don't be over it. Not over it. He said it's playing games. But you know what? It had a big drop. So you can't expect it to go down forever. I mean, this was a 100 pip drop. Like, you can't be mad at that. Look, literally. I mean, if you've gone from the high of the candle to the low, it's 100 pips. It's a big move. So yeah, it does need to take a breather, a little pullback. See if it decides to continue. Alright, 5 minutes. Let's split this screen. You know it's gonna jack up the GJ markup. Okay, yeah, let's get ready for this news. I mean, I don't think it's going to be crazy high impact, but we definitely should see some volume. 1 hour looks good. For sell still. See, I'm thinking either buys from like here. Or a bit more of a drop. And then buys up. Or a bit further down. I don't know if it's going to come all the way down here. It's a big drop. And then come back up. You know? Something like that. But, yeah, we'll see. Or it could just... Bitcoin back under 100k. I know, right? I know, right? But yeah, Bitcoin's all good. I mean, who would have thought we'd see Bitcoin at these prices anyway? 98,000. I can believe it, but I still can't believe it. Alright, news in 2 minutes. US 30 looks like it's about to fall off a cliff, does it? Oh shoot, and we got news coming up. Wait, do I have US30? Yeah. At all-time highs. It's 4 hours bearish. Oh yeah, it's pulling back. Pulling back from the highs. Like everything's bloody pulling back from the highs. See what the DXY is doing, pushing up. Okay, if this pushes up some more, gold might drop some more. One minute to go. Said US30 is too much. It doesn't. I hear that. Nothing crazy for this news. Not yet. Looks like it had to kick in. Okay, gold made a little bottom wicks, pushing up. Let me see what the results of the news was. Bad numbers. Bad numbers. Now, on a normal day, bad numbers should be bullish for gold and bearish for the DXY. Okay, DXY is bearish. Gold should be bullish, but it's not really doing much, is it? No, it's not. Nah, that was not much volume, but it's still early. It's still early. Still give price time to move. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, gold, are we falling some more? GJ's falling, or it's retesting this resistance, this support, or it's making a bottom wick finally. It's doing something. yeah, I don't see any trades for now, guys, anyway, so I'm definitely going to leave it here. For more sells on pound yen, I want to see a closure below. Closure below 188.56, but obviously that won't be for another half an hour. For gold, I actually don't know what I want to see with gold. Maybe a closure below this support, 2859 for sells, just to fill this range. But I need to break above. I need a closure above this trend line, and then a retest to continue up if I'm looking for anything on gold. Because yeah, this structure is kind of ranging in here. It's not even this. It's like this is kind of like the range. So I don't mind going from the top of the range down to the bottom if it does want to continue to sell, then down, but I'd get out at the support. But for the buys, yeah, I don't like the buys because it's making lower highs. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace out. See ya. Oh, gold's pushing up. Yeah, it's gonna be at least half an hour before anything. I'll see you guys.